In this video, we'll learn how to use billing profiles to control certain aspects of billing for your subscriptions. A billing profile defines certain billing settings for the subscription, such as the billing delay, which allows time for usage data to be collected, or the adjustment period for billing changes to recurring charges. You start by defining billing profiles in the business configuration. Then, you assign the profiles to rate plan templates so that they're later passed on to rate plans. When you create rate plans in products, the billing profile from the rate plan template is applied to the product. In turn, the product predefines that profile for billing its subscriptions. Now that we have an overview, let's start by defining a billing profile. In the Business Configuration app, go to Billing Profiles and choose Create. Each new profile contains these default settings: a billing delay of 2 days, and an adjustment period that matches the billing cycle of the subscription. To create new settings, choose Create and enter an ID and name. Then select the date as of which the settings are valid and make the settings that you require. If you have multiple profiles, set one as the default profile for all new rate plan templates. Now, for the next step, we'll assign a billing profile to a new rate plan template. We'll create the template without a pricing scheme. When you use a fixed value for the billing profile, the default profile is pre-filled. However, you can select a different profile if needed. At the beginning, we saw that rate plans created from rate plan templates inherit the assigned billing profile. Here, you can see the assignment in the rate plan for an example product. We continue with the process by creating a subscription for this product. When we look at the billing information for the subscription, we can see that the billing profile of the main product is already assigned. With the required authorization, you can choose a different profile for the subscription. Finally, let's look at a bill for the subscription. In the general data, we can see the billing profile that was used for billing and also its settings. The billing profile is valid for the entire billing period. This means that if you edit the settings of the billing profile in the business configuration or change the profile of the subscription, these changes only become effective in the next billing period, not the current one. Both the billing profile and the billing period cause bills to be split. For example, subscriptions that would otherwise be billed together are split into separate bills if they have a different billing profile. That concludes this introduction to the billing profile. Thank you for watching.